people, and this is my first video of the day. I'm here again with my very close friend Renu, and we are here to watch this movie called Pari. And while we are shooting, we are at this place called in Sikandrabad. There's a movie theater by name Tivoli. You can see that, people. Okay. I wonder if you all could see it. So yeah, Pari is a horror film. So I'm a bit scared to watch a horror film alone. That's why I'm here with Renu. And soon after watching the movie, we'll do a review of this particular film. So wish us luck, people. And more importantly, wish Anushka Sharma, the new bride. This is her first release after her wedding. So I personally, like, I truly feel we should encourage these new brides, when they are trying to set up their own, filmmaking is also a kind of a business, right? So, and when you're a new bride, it's that much more, your in-laws will be watching, they'll want to see whether whether you're able to earn some money through that. And so in my own way, like, honestly, I'm a bit scared of horror films, but I felt I should watch this movie to encourage thing. And now that this video will be on YouTube, I'm pretty sure that Anushka Sharma might herself watch this video, because very few videos are made specifically dedicated to things. So yeah, so she is looking forward to a very nice cinematic experience, movie experience. So yeah, so Renu, you'd like to say something? Yeah, also.
Amu is my best friend.
Oh,
So
thank you.
whatever she is doing, excellent, good
Good
job.
job. Oh, thank you, Renu.
So I hope so everyone subscribe this video.
Oh, subscribe to my channel. Thank you,
No.
Renu. This is so sweet. And I'm told, Renu is very good at these certain, natural remedies, so to speak. So I was thinking I should get her a good little camera so that she could, she could actually position the camera in one place and then, show people how to make, there are so many of these. In fact, we'll do the shooting in the next video. I have Renu with me, so she'll give us some tips on how to, sing. And actually, at a later point, we can start her own channel, and then we should just keep uploading, so that's the thing about YouTube, people. We should never lose hope. And YouTube is like a crash course in life itself. That life is, a child goes to school 10 years, 15 years, and then after 15 years के बाद 15 years tarvata, like in Telugu it's called later, then there's return on investment on that, which that's how the world is. So that's what I've begun rambling, but this is, I'm waiting here. The movie is about to start at 4:30. It is already 4:15. Oh my god, I think we could go upstairs. Maybe there are trailers being shown.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so we could go upstairs, but we'll watch this video and we'll upload it, and then we'll go to watch the horror film Pari. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.